Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive into all things tech-related. Today, we've got a simple yet essential piece of equipment to discuss: the Dell Laptop Charger 65W AC Power Adapter. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, having a reliable laptop charger is a must. So, let's take a closer look at this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest tech reviews. First up, let's meet the star of the show, the Dell Laptop Charger 65W AC Power Adapter. Say goodbye to the hassle of lugging your AC adapter back and forth between home and the office. With a second adapter, you can keep one in each location or even use it for your travel needs. The 65-watt AC adapter from Dell is purpose-built to meet the power requirements of your Dell laptop. Packing 65 watts of power, this adapter does more than just power your laptop. It also charges its battery while you work, ensuring you're always ready to go. Plus, it comes with a convenient 6-foot power cord. Let's talk about some key features that make this charger stand out. It offers 65 watts, which is sufficient to power and charge your laptop effectively. And speaking of cords, it comes bundled with a generous 2-meter power cord. No more awkwardly stretching your laptop to reach the outlet. But wait, there's more. Dell has designed this charger with user convenience in mind. It incorporates a rubber strap, making cable management a breeze. No more tangled or messy cords on your desk. And here's a neat feature. It has an LED light ring on the DC connector, indicating that it's powered up and ready to go. Now, let's address compatibility. Dell takes this seriously, as all genuine Dell-branded parts undergo rigorous testing to ensure they're fully compatible and reliable in your Dell system. That means you can trust it to work seamlessly with your laptop. Quality matters, and Dell knows it. This charger uses only OEM-grade quality components, ensuring durability and longevity. You're investing in a product that's built to last. To wrap it up, the Dell Laptop Charger 65W AC Power Adapter is a reliable and essential accessory for your Dell laptop. With its 65 watts of power, generous cord length, and thoughtful design features, it's a fantastic addition to your tech arsenal. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, a dependable laptop charger is the unsung hero of your tech setup. Until next time, stay powered up and stay tech savvy.